Dstreet Customs, City State, Singapore. Actually, all started when I started riding motorcycles. Actually, basically, I mean, I'm never happy with stock, so I always like to mod my bikes here and there, make it look different from the rest. That's what custom culture is about, right? A few friends actually approached me at the start, telling me my bike looks very simple, very stock. So it's like they want something different. So I actually threw them some ideas, and then of which they really liked it. So from there, I gave them more suggestions, and I started to fab some small stuff out, put it on the bikes, and somehow they liked it. And so it actually led on to something else different after that. I do a general array of stuff on the bikes. I do servicing, I do restoration, rebuilds, goes up all the way to the customs. With the government having regulations on how the bike should look like, to how loud it should be, which they deem that is dangerous. For us in Singapore, the builders especially, we actually just focus on what we can do within our means, just to make sure that customer rides happy, goes out with a unique bike, looking bike, somehow a custom. For one, I hope the government does give us some slack on the regulations, and so as we can showcase more to probably like maybe even in like overseas. My favorite motorcycle builders are like Hidemo motorcycles, Kruger motorcycles, Rough Crafts, and a few other unknown builders in the market itself, but they do pretty a few good nice bikes. I actually do try to travel as much with my wife. We want to see the world as we can. I'm a pretty boring person, so I don't really do like calligraphy or art. I just want to see the world, know more people, see more cultures. I'm looking forward to my build for this year's Out of Speed 2018. I hope to see you guys there.